Hey guys, welcome to Laratips. In today's video, we'll be looking at 3 new things that are added to Laravel version 10.10. And before starting this video, I'd like you to know that this video is sponsored by Cloudways. And please watch this video till the end because you'll get 1 month free using a code. You'll know about that at the end of the video. So keep watching. Now let us move to the things that are added to Laravel version 10.10. The first thing that has been added is the sleep class. Before it was named like this, but later on it was changed to sleep. It is just like the sleep method in the PHP. Let me show you that. So here I am in the Tinkerbell app. Before, let's say we have a equals to 1, then we sleep for 1 second. And now if I just do a equals to 2 and just echo the a, now if I run it, it will take about 1 second. Sorry, so I have this. Let me just comment this one also and let me run it. Now we can see here it took 1 second to run it. So similar to this, now there is this sleep class. Okay, illuminate support sleep. We can do it like this, sleep for 1 second. You can see here it is very intuitive syntax, very nice and easy for us to use different time for sleep. So you can see here if I just do it and run, then you can see here it will give us the same result. And it is sleeping for only 1 second. But the best thing about is this, we can fake this, and it is very useful whenever we are doing test. We don't want the test to run for a very long time. Let's say we are sleeping for 1 or 2 seconds in some of the methods and we don't want our test to sleep as well. So we can do this fake. So if I just do sleep fake and run it, then you can see it is very fast. And there is this method sleep assert sleep time, and it will pass the test if the method has the proper number of sleeps. Suppose you have passed here 1, then the method must have, or the method that you are testing must have slept for 1 second. And as you can see here, there are a lot of things that we can do with this. So you can see here sleep for 3 minutes, 3 seconds, 30,000 milliseconds, or sleep for 3 minutes and 5 seconds and 9 milliseconds. This is very nice syntax, very fluent syntax. So because of this, instead of using sleep, this method, the default PHP method, we can use this illuminate support sleep class. So let me now comment this. Now let us move to the second thing that has been added. The second thing that has been added is this hashed cast. So here, let me show you that here in the user. So there is this new hashed casting added to the password. So now let me show you that also over here. We can create a user, okay? And let me show you the latest user after creating. So we have this Laratips1, email this user, and the password is plain password. Now if I just run it like this, then you can see here it will save in the database as a plain password, but you don't want this to happen. So for that, what we used to do is, let's say it's a hash, and we used to do make. Here we would wrap this inside the make method. And now if I run it, so let me do Laratips2 here and run it, then you can see here the password is actually hashed. Now instead of this, we just want this password over here and 3, and we don't want to remember that hash make method. Then we can cast this password as hashed like this, and whenever we are saving this password or the user to the database, then it will automatically hash this password. So now let me save the user, then you can see here the password is automatically hashed. So this is the new cast that has been added to the Laravel. Now let us move to the third and the final thing that has been added, which is this mark commands as isolatable. So here, let me go here. I have created this new test command, and whenever I created, it was like this, okay? So test command extends command, and I have added this implements isolatable so that this command is isolatable. So now here it has generated all this by itself, and I have added this thing. So let us use this new sleep class here also, and after 5 seconds it will say done. So here I have opened 2 console over here, okay? So previously what we used to do is, so here I have to write here like this, PHP artisan, this will be PA is PHP artisan, and apt test command and dash isolatable, and here also dash isolatable. So if I run this, okay, if I am running this command and it is still running, and if I run it, then you can see here this will give us this app test command is already running, which means that it can only be run once. So this kind of command is very useful for migrations, which we only want it to run once, okay? So every time if we want a command to run only once, and if it is running, we don't want another instance of it to run, then we can use this isolated. But now we don't have to use this isolated flag. Okay, so here we can just write here isolated equals to true. This is the protected property like this. And now if I just do here, instead of isolated, I'll just do command. Okay, and you can see here it is returning done over here. So if I just run this, and if I come here and run this, then you can see here it is not letting us run this command multiple times. So now we don't have to pass dash isolated in each and every command where we want this feature. Just write isolated equals to true here in the command class, and then it will work. And now I would like you to introduce to this video sponsor, which is Cloudways. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform which focuses on your business and avoid all the web hosting hassles. Cloudways will take care of the server setup for you, and you can go live in minutes using the Cloudways. You can select any one of these applications like WordPress, Laravel, PHP, etc. and you can host those in any one of these servers like DigitalOcean, AWS, Vultr, Google Cloud or Linode. And also you can scale your server size as you need using the simple and easy user interface. You can use the link below to subscribe to Cloudways, and if you do so, you will get $15 as a credit, and you can use that $15 to set up a base server, and it will last you almost a month, which means that you are getting 1 month free. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.